Dođi da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam sve što znam. Dođi da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam sve što znam.
When it first arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope. It only hears you when you use the wake word we chose. Alexa.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
Majke, nerviram se. Veli doktor da se ne nerviram.
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Tebe bom pozval skoro sa podošem.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things. All you have to do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
7 kuna, 5, 7 put 5, 35, valjda.
It really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Alexa, alarm off.
Because you're autistic.
Oh, that's why, okay.
Yes, fellas, go to doctor and ask him why I don't have family. Evo, look at me, wait,
Your host is fucking. You're disgusting. You're fucking disgusting. You watch animal porn?
No, that is your dad in the bed with me.
I still don't understand what you're trying to say. Can you come again?
Oh look guys, I found you on the internet.
Okay, I don't care.
Look. Look at you. Oh my god, is that really you? That's why we have more tourists than you had in 10 years. So yeah, what did we learn today? Your country sucks and our country best. Yeah, uživaš tih seksu, a?
Oh, fuck, you can't say things, goddammit.
Si se gmil jutro.
Druga. Daj meni buntijanus.
Kak se spet cikli jednu? Opa! Daj, Dado, jednu tricu, Dado. Oh my god! Ovo skikni. Ovaj si ti bok materiš da unutra.
Ide samo lijepo putuje kroz večer. Pa ko mi spama poruke? Krešao mi se, ne igrati.
Svaka ne mogu igrat.
Ali jer mi se krešao, sad sam ti rekao.
Nije ti se krešao, lažeš.
O! Zmrzlo se. Sve.
Lažeš.
Evo ga, idemo braćo, idemo!
Idemo braćo cigani.
Da se novi no, čekaj. Neća Šimon Barišić obranio gol, Šimon Barišić puca!
Bog te mater, jebe, ja sam tak prdnuo, a mislim da sam se spusrao.
Ja sam propustio.
Kapa se ščara delal, dok je grmilo, pa tu nismo nikad bili v životu. Jaj, draži. Draži, da si vidio kaj...
Pa jebala mislim gol, glavne koliko podmeta još lupili. Nutra!
Aj, grmilo, draži.
Znaš, on loptu tira, tako...
A se dobre radnički, ja sam dobre.
Kak je grmilo. Veš ki sam Face Nighta bježat.
Ja sam je ovo drio, ja onda ne znam kada se dogodilo, ja sad znam da je malo palo.
Dečki, ja moram tako grdo prdnuti.
Pa prni jebate, Isus, pa ne biti kak ja.
Dečki, samo nejte, prosim vas, nejte biti straho.
Dođi da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam sve što znam. Dođi da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam, da ti dam sve što znam.